ग्रेट। तो आप सबका स्वागत है। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर टुडे सेशन बाय CCFC। तो व्हाट इज CCFC? CCFC stands for Concerned Citizens for Chhatarpur. So we are a organization created by all the residents. Especially you can see Aruna ji here. So Aruna ji, if you can raise your hand, so say hello to everyone. And supporting Aruna ji, we have Alka ji. Okay, so the idea was for this
Next
organization.
Yeah. She's the head of CCFC now.
Yeah. And so the idea of CCFC was to help people in and around Chhatarpur and use the power and the connections of the Chhatarpur residents for welfare of people around us. Okay, behind me we have Ekta. Ekta, you can just say hello. So this is my wife Ekta.
Hi, Ekta.
Hi, how are you?
And
Ekta.
Yeah, we have another CCFC member, Haripriya Man.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Hi, Priya.
So during. So our main objective was to, do betterment for society in and around Chhatarpur. But during the pandemic, we also started organizing interesting sessions to increase our knowledge. And with regards to those sessions only, today we have Reiki Grandmaster Vineet Jain. तो रेकी जो है ये एक मिस्टिकल सब्जेक्ट है। मुझे भी इसके बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं था और मैं ज़्यादा विश्वास भी नहीं करता था। I didn't need to trust Reiki. I didn't know what hocus pocus is this. Till the time, actually, I saw a live demo by Vineet Jain. And, that was totally mind-blowing. And how, you can sense the aura of other people and heal them even remotely. And you can lift a person, otherwise इतना भारी सा एक मेरे को याद है इनका एक डेमो था जिसमें एक बहुत ही भारी भरकम आदमी था और उसको जो है 3-4 लोगों ने सिर्फ अपनी उंगली से उठा लिया, ऐसे करके उठा लिया. So and that they were not able to even budge him a little bit before, but after he did something and he performed Reiki on the guy, immediately they were able to lift him. Okay. So I, being a very, very logical and scientific person, I only believe in whatever I can see. तो मेरे को जो दिखता है मैं तो उसी पे विश्वास करता हूँ. So trust me, we wouldn't have organized this session till, we would have believed that this is something that really works magic. So now with that, I will now like to welcome Aruna ji to carry on with the proceedings of the session today.
Yeah,
over to you, Aruna ji. Alka ji.
एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है संजीव जी. I will request all the participants to open their camera if possible, because that is going to help me in scanning in a much better way.
Okay, great, guys. So again, if you guys can open your cameras, it will become more interactive and more interesting for all of us here, and you'll give a feel of a live workshop happening here.
Benefit, everybody will get healing.
Yes, exactly. Absolutely.
That is correct.
Great. So over to you, Alka ji and Aruna ji.
Thank you, Sanjeev. Sanjeev, you've become quite the pro at introducing all our programs, and I'm quite impressed with the homework you've done, considering you said you don't know much about Reiki.
Right.
And of course, Sanjeev has introduced all of us, but for us, he's a very integral part of CCFC. And his technical expertise is par excellence, no question about that.
Thank you.
And for that, we thank you very much, Sanjeev. Now on to Vineet. Now we are not talking about Sanjeev Jain today, we are talking about Vineet Jain. They happen to have the same surname. But the difference is that Vineet has become a Reiki Grandmaster. Now, he was not always a Reiki Grandmaster, and what led him to this path, I will just share that with you, and then Vineet will tell you in his own words how he went down that path. First of all, his family business is a business of agricultural components, far removed from Reiki. And they used to make sprinklers, they still do, and export it, and heavy-duty valves and that kind of stuff. Then he developed an interest in numerology and astrology. But again, we are not here to talk about that. we are here to talk about how he became a Reiki Grandmaster and what led him to this path.
Here to
तो विनीत जी, आपने मुझसे बहुत सारी बातें शेयर की थी, वो मैं दोहराना चाहती हूँ अभी। और आपने मुझे कहा था कि 2004 में आप अपने फैमिली बिजनेस में बड़े इन्वॉल्व थे, पर अचानक आपकी हेल्थ बहुत ही खराब हो गई, इतनी खराब कि आप दौड़ना तो बात ही नहीं थी ना, आप चल सकते थे, आप खड़े भी नहीं हो सकते थे।
जी जी, मैं बिस्तर पर लेटा रहता था बस में।
जी, and he took to his bed and his family did not know what to do. So this went on for quite some time और डिप्रेशन तो हो ही जाती है और किसी को समझ नहीं आता है हम क्या करें और आगे कैसे बढ़ें। और आपको विनीत जी बताएंगे कि उन्होंने फैमिली ने क्या डिसीजन लिया इनके बारे में और इनके इलनेस के बारे में, पर वो हमको संक्षेप में बताइए कि आपकी हेल्थ इतनी नीचे, इतनी खराब किस तरह हुई। सो विनीत जी, आप प्लीज बताएं।
तो अलका जी, एक्चुअल में मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था, तो 1.5 साल मैं बिस्तर पर पड़ा था। लाइक इट वाज लाइक जस्ट आई वाज जस्ट लाइक ए डेड वेजिटेबल, किसी काम का नहीं था। पानी पीता था तो वॉमिटिंग हो जाती थी, खाना खाता वो तो वॉमिट होती थी। एंड आई लॉस्ट अराउंड 18 kgs एंड सारी रिपोर्ट ठीक थी। एंड बाद में जब पता लगा हमारे को रिपोर्ट में कुछ खराबी है, तो दैट वाज माय थायराइड्स। माय TSH लेवल वर 350 दैट टाइम।
ठीक है। और
and my antibodies were 13,500. And as per the medical science, if my TSH is 350, it simply shows that I don't have any kind of antibody in my body. ठीक है ना, मेरी बॉडी में एंटीबॉडीज नहीं थी, जिसकी वजह से TSH काफी बढ़ गया था। एंड डॉक्टर ने जब एंटीबॉडीज देखी तो दे वर शॉक्ड कि हाउ टू क्योर यू और हाउ टू ट्रीट यू। I went to temples, mosques, church, everywhere, almost everywhere. And मेरे को किसी ने सजेस्ट किया कि आप इनमास जाए, वहाँ पर आर्मी हॉस्पिटल है एंड दे आर स्पेशलिस्ट इन थायराइड्स। तो वहाँ पर भी रिपोर्ट देखकर वो थोड़े से शॉक थे। एंड दे सेड कि भैया इफ वी हैव टू रिड्यूस डाउन योर एंटीबॉडीज, देन वी हैव टू इंजेक्ट सम काइंड ऑफ डिसीज इन योर बॉडी, बट यू आर ऑलरेडी हैविंग ए वेरी हाई स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ हाई लेवल ऑफ TSH, तो उसको अगर और बढ़ाएंगे तो दैट कुड बी फैटल। तो फिर उन्होंने कहा कि अगर TSH हमारे को कम करना है तो एंटीबॉडी बनानी पड़ेंगी आपकी तरफ, बट एंटीबॉडीज भी आपकी लेवल से बहुत ज्यादा है। तो दे रिकमेंड कि भैया ब्लैक पेपर के ऊपर, मेरी वाइफ को बोला उन्होंने कि खाली एक अपना थंब इम्प्रेशन ले लो आप इनका, कि अगर ये मर जाएंगे तो कम से कम आपको कुछ तो मिल ही आएगा आपको, क्योंकि इनके पास टाइम नहीं है। तो दैट वाज ए सॉर्ट ऑफ डिजास्टर फॉर मी। तो उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा शॉक में हो गया था व्हाट टू डू। But fortunately, like I told you, like I was into many other modalities before my Reiki and before I got so much sick. So my earlier client of astrology, he suggested me कि भैया why don't you learn Reiki? Maybe self healing will help you. तो मैं कहा वो भी कर लेते जब इतना कुछ कर रखा है आपने और कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं। तो that made me into Reiki. So over there I learned Reiki level 1 and level 2. And on the
एक मिनट में आपको थोड़ा सा इंटरप्ट करना चाहती हूँ। Before you learned level 2, how long did it take you to learn level 2?
Only 2 days.
2 days. और उसके बाद आपके शरीर पे क्या इफेक्ट हुआ?
मेरे शरीर में ये इफेक्ट हुआ कि लेवल 2 जब मैंने किया सेकंड डे, I was able to stand on myself without any support.
Okay. और उसके बाद आपने क्या किया?
उसके बाद हमारे को we have to do a self healing for 21 days.
Okay.
And on the 22nd day, I completed my Reiki level 3rd A level. And the day I completed, I came home running. It was quite impossible and which was quite amazing for my wife, my parents. But my father shouted at me कि भैया तू भाग रहा है, गिर जाएगा। 1.5 साल से तू खड़ा नहीं हुआ, अब तू खड़ा हुआ और भाग रहा है, तो you will fall and you might get some wounds. तो मैंने कहा भैया नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, I am excited, I am able to run, and I told my wife कि भैया I am having this food, कि भैया ये खाना बनाना, आज मेरा खाने का मन है, after a long time. So she prepared my desired meal, and after that, within a week, I completed my 3rd B and Grandmastership. And
Okay.
the day I completed my Grandmastership, the very next day, I was conducting my workshop.
Your training programs.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this entire thing happened within 30 days.
Yeah, within
Give or
30
take a few days.
within 30 days, and I was religiously following Reiki.
Okay. And before we carry on any further, I just want to say that having reached this level of running,
Yeah.
after not being able to stand even, Vineet went on to help other people to pursue their goals and attain what they desired in life.
Right.
पर विनीत जी, आप हमको जरा संक्षेप में बताएंगे कि ये रेकी क्या चीज है? आप थोड़ा इसके
अरुणा जी,
ऊपर
when we were all child, हम बचपन में हम लोग क्या करते थे कि कांच का टुकड़ा लेकर ना दीवार के ऊपर सनलाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट करते थे, ठीक है ना?
यस
तो सन जो है हमारे से लाखों किलोमीटर दूर है, इट इज टू फार अवे, बट वी आर एबल टू रिफ्लेक्ट इट ऑन बर्ड्स, और फिर उसको फोकस करके हम लोग पेपर, कार्बन पेपर जलाते थे, या अपने फ्रेंड्स को या फैमिली मेंबर्स के ऊपर हाथ के ऊपर करके फोकस करते थे और उनको जलाते थे, गर्म करते थे बहुत तेज. एंड टुडे वी आर हार्नेसिंग द सेम सनलाइट फॉर सोलर एनर्जी, ठीक है ना? आज की डेट में सोलर लाइट को हम लोग, सोलर एनर्जी को बहुत जगह यूज करते हैं, ठीक है ना? तो सन इतनी दूर होने के बाद हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली इन रेकी वी सी दैट वी आर सराउंडेड बाय मेनी कॉस्मिक एनर्जीज, इवन वी आवरसेल्फ आर ए एनर्जी, ठीक है ना? तो जैसे आपने लाइट एनर्जी के बारे में सुना होगा, आपने साउंड एनर्जी के बारे में सुना होगा, तो रेकी में हम लोग बोलते हैं कलर एनर्जी, साउंड एनर्जी, आपका विजुअलाइजेशन एनर्जी. आप ये बताइए मेरे को अनुराग जी कि सबसे तेज स्पीड किसकी है, कौन सी एनर्जी की स्पीड है, आप क्या समझते हैं?
Sound.
किसकी?
साउंड, लाइट.
उससे भी तेज एक स्पीड है, वो है हमारे थॉट की,
Oh, thought, yes, of course.
ठीक है ना? तो रेकी
That's
के
true.
अंदर हम लोग थॉट और विजुअल बढ़ा लेते हैं फटाफट, उससे भी तेज, बराबर लाइट से भी तेज फास्ट चलता है हमारा विजुअलाइजेशन या हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस, थॉट एनर्जी. तो हम लोग विजुअलाइजेशन को भी एक एनर्जी मानते हैं, और जो भी हम देखना चाहते हैं या जो भी हम क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं अपनी हेल्थ के लिए, अपने बिजनेस के लिए, अपनी रिलेशन के लिए, वो हम रेकी से क्रिएट करते हैं. रेकी में हम सिंबल, साइंस, थॉट, कलर्स, साउंड, बड़ी सारी एनर्जीज को यूज करते हैं, और फिर हमारे को चाहे बिजनेस में प्रॉब्लम हो, चाहे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम हो, हेल्थ में प्रॉब्लम हो, हर चीज को हम लोग ठीक कर सकते हैं.
But that means that you have to actually believe in Reiki.
एग्जैक्टली.
If you don't believe, then you're not going to get the benefit. Is that correct?
अगर हम लोग बिलीव नहीं करेंगे किसी भी चीज के ऊपर, तो हम तो आज जिंदा नहीं रह सकते ना. हम लोग सोचेंगे कि ऑक्सीजन आ रही है, कहाँ से आ रही है? एक पेड़, एक ट्री 2 लोगों के लिए ऑक्सीजन देता रहता है, तो इफ वी आर अलाइव, तो देयर मस्ट बी समवन हु हैज प्लांटेड ए ट्री. तो वी हैव टू हैव
Yes.
बिलीव इन समथिंग.
So you have to start with a belief that Reiki is going to work.
एग्जैक्टली.
Correct? Okay.
So Reiki में और manifestation, positive manifestation में क्या फर्क है?
मैम, जो पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशन है वो एक टूल है रेकी का. जैसे आप पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशन बोलते हैं ना, कई लोग पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशन सिखाते हैं, तो रेकी के अंदर ये खाली टूल है. इन रेकी वी से कि भैया whatever you are giving the affirmation for yourself or someone else, you have to avoid using no and not. ये सिंपल सा है, और हमारे को वो देखना होता है while we are healing कि जो हमारे को चाहिए. Like if we are working on someone with fever, तो हमारे को fever वर्ड को यूज ही नहीं करना उसके अंदर. We have to do the healing, and we have to visualize that this person is dancing, this person is singing, this person is happily partying with the family members or friends. Like last week I done a healing for a couple where the male was having some extramarital relationship, And that lady sent me his and her photographs and other details for scanning. And I told him, ma'am, please be calm. Your husband is having a extramarital with a married girl, and he's going to come back. And within a week, she called me back, hey, Viniji, you are right. Your healing was fine. Because now my husband is saying that I'm going to leave her and I'm going to stay with you for life and in a loving relationship. And this is what we were visualizing. If we are, she and her husband are happily married and are having a happy life with their child. So till
So
that
you
time,
were actually visualizing this.
exactly.
Huh?
We visualize and energize with the other cosmic energies like symbols with colors.
The power of positive thinking, huh?
Exactly.
So there is another therapy जिसको बोलते हैं प्राणिक healing. तो
Right.
रेकी में और प्राणिक healing में क्या फर्क है?
मैम रेकी और प्राणिक थोड़ा सा क्या है ना, जैसे कहते हैं कि मतलब पेड़ एक है बट उसकी ब्रांचेस बड़ी सारी हैं. तो लाइक रेकी को भी लोग बोलते हैं कि जैपनीज है, बट आई कंसीडर रेकी एंड अदर मॉडलिटीज एज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन साइंस, इंडियन अकल्ट साइंस. तो ये सारी अलग अलग ब्रांचेज हैं, लोग इनको अलग अलग डिफरेंशिएट कर देते हैं, बट मैं अलग अलग मॉडलिटीज को सबको फ्यूजन करके सिखाता भी हूँ और अपनी हीलिंग में भी यूज करता हूँ. So I don't say that they are different modalities. I say this is a part of a system, complete system.
It's a branch of the same thing, right?
Right.
Okay, so now regarding Reiki itself, does it help in pain reduction?
See, it helps in from fever to cancer at the last stage very easily.
Okay.
Like for some pains, small pains, we can instantly give relief to the person, and in some chronic cases, it may take time.
Okay.
So process क्या करते हैं? What do you? How do you process? मतलब कैसे करते हैं इसको?
Like for self-healing or for doing the touch healing for a member, we just need to touch them. First of all, we have to invoke cosmic energies onto ourselves, and then we have to reflect the cosmic energies. Like we have to believe that we are just like a glass, and we are invoking the cosmic energies, and we are just reflecting using our palm, using our forehead, or whatever we feel like. And then we disconnect. And if we are doing a distance healing, then we have to connect to them using connection symbols and all.
अच्छा. You don't have to be face to face, or you don't have to have कि सामने आपके रहे वो.
It doesn't matter at all. Like
तो
currently
आप
I am
photo
sitting here
रखते हैं?
and I can do a distance healing to any of the members. And even my students are here, so they can do the same.
Okay, but do you require a photograph or not even that?
Yeah, we do require a photograph from head to toe, and that photograph has to be latest. If it is a
I see.
photograph, then it has to be latest and head to toe. Otherwise, if we are on a video call, then it doesn't matter.
Oh, that's better. Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so it's better, no? Okay. And what about stress reduction and relaxation? इसमें भी help करता है ये?
अनुरा जी, स्ट्रेस जो होता है ना, वो हम लोग क्रिएट करते हैं, वो
जी.
होता नहीं कभी भी. It is a part of our system which we create ourselves. And हमारा क्या है कि उसके अंदर काउंसलिंग करके समझ के उसका रूट कॉज, that what is the cause which is giving you stress, तो उसको फिर हम लोग ठीक करते हैं. That mostly or generally heals you through counseling.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. And now, just before we unmute you and we get on to the individual healing and the mass healing, I would like to welcome the students of Vineet. I believe there are many of them here, and they will be scanning the individual faces. That's why he asked you to put your cameras on so that he could actually see you. That would be nice, and even if you are skeptical, there's no harm in trying. So why don't you do that? And the other thing is that we will have a question answer session just now, but I would just like to remind you that please do not ask questions regarding how much it will cost you, because this is dependent on how much time he gives you and what the problem is. And we will provide you with a number. Sanjeev will put it on the chat box. where you can contact Amu and a number will be given and you call that number and Amu will put you in touch with Vineet. And that's how it will work. Okay, so costs and all, please, are taboo and please don't discuss them on this session. Now, Sanjeev, if you could unmute everybody, please. You can start asking your questions. Come on.
Sanjeev, you're muted.
First of all, I'd like to ask Manu to ask his question. He's the first one to put the questions in the chat. So Manu's question, I can read them out. So he's already answered whether you need a photo or not. Do you also need some item? Vineet ji, आपको कोई item भी चाहिए होता है दूसरे बंदे का?
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा, और ये जो डिस्टेंस हीलिंग होती है उसमें क्या ज्यादा टाइम लगता है एज कम्पेयर्ड कि अगर पर्सन सामने बैठा हो आपके?
एक्चुअली में हमारा तो अगर जो सामने बैठा है उसके अंदर ज्यादा टाइम लगता है और उसकी जगह जो दूर बैठा होता है तो उसके अंदर टाइम कम लगता है हमारा.
Okay. Okay. What are the other questions, guys? You can please go ahead and unmute yourself and ask the questions.
I have a quick.
Please.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, please.
No, please go ahead.
Vineet ji, is it possible to apply Reiki to and help people who have generalized anxiety, depression, mental health issues? And if so, how long does that treatment take?
It depends upon person to person. First of all, we have to understand that what is the reason that brought the man or the female into this condition. What is the reason and since how long? So first of all, we need to talk to them, we need to counsel them, and we need to comfort them. Bring them to the comfortable zone where we both can open up. And after that, it becomes very easy, like in 2-3 sessions, maybe a few more, and the person will be okay.
Okay, that's good to know.
That's quite fast, huh? Right.
Kunal Grover, I think, has asked, can he be a volunteer?
Yeah,
Yes.
hi, good evening.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, being in business brings us a lot of depression, brings us a lot of anxiety, stresses are very high. And being in, after the 2 COVID sessions going down, so you being the, the engine of the company, you have to work double the times that the others, are working. So I needed the help in this case.
So Kunal, since you are doing already, how long have you been doing this business?
I've been doing it for the last 12 years now.
Last 12 years. Okay, see Kunal, what we do, first of all, we don't change your business, but we try to identify that what is your talent and passion using Reiki and using counseling. Because most of the people, they just do their business because it is being like running for decades or they started this business. But we all have a different talent and different passion. Like you are telling yourself that you are doing double the time this business. Okay, so if you are devoting double time and not getting results, so it means you are unable to harness your passion and you are unable to identify your own talent. So once you know and you realize that what is your talent and what is your passion, so the only thing will be required to change your seat. Instead of sitting on the owner's seat, you just need to change your seat. You may hire or you might hire someone to sit on your seat and you just replace your seat with some other team. Like as per your vibration, I can feel that you are very much into, like you can plan things. You can plan for your business very comfortably and you have a very good vision. But when it comes to marketing or sales, you're not that active. And you are utilizing your sources or resources on a wrong side or in a wrong direction. So once you are able to put your passion, your talent, your energy in a correct direction, you will be working less than the time you are giving now, and you will be getting much more results than you are getting now.
Just one question, Vineet ji, let me interrupt.
Yeah.
Can we please have Kunal Grover as a volunteer? इनको
Right.
आप बाद में heal करिए.
Right.
Any other volunteers? Any other volunteers who want to have some Reiki done on them?
Hi, this is Mridula. I
Yeah.
would also like to volunteer for this.
Definitely.
Okay, so there are two individual volunteers. Abhi mass healing to hoga baad mein. Any more individual?
Yeah, me.
Dr. Manu is there.
I'd like to also volunteer.
So Manu and
Okay, so there are
Priya,
four.
four
Can you
volunteers.
handle 4 volunteers today?
We can have
Vineet
all
ji?
the people.
No, we'll have them individually, and then after that you do the mass healing. ठीक है जी?
That's right.
Okay,
Ekta is also volunteering.
Okay, Ekta also 5. I think we'll have to stop that number now. ठीक है ना? तो आप एक-एक करके आप कुणाल को पहले प्लीज हीलिंग करिए और आपके स्टूडेंट्स करेंगे स्कैनिंग या आप करेंगे?
Yeah, Priyanka, you are free to do. Now this Miss Priyanka Kanuri, she can do the scanning. She will be doing the scanning for Miss Ekta first. Ekta, okay, do the scanning for Ekta, Miss Ekta. She
You want to
is
start
Sanjeev Jain.
with Ekta?
Yeah, she is Sanjeev Jain ji. So
Vineet
Ekta
ji,
ji,
you want to start
I will
with
request
Ekta?
you to please just stand up so that she can see you from head to toe.
Okay.
ठीक है, थोड़ा पीछे जाना पड़ेगा आपको.
थोड़ा पीछे जाइए.
Now it is okay. I can tell you, Aruna ji, Priyanka ji has done level 2 with me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell about her. Alka ji, Ekta ji can come ahead now. Yeah.
I just have seen that Ekta ji is having little blockage in her left side leg, and she's also want to connect with the spirituality, like she's more thinking about the spirituality, and she's very expressive. I also feel that Ekta ji is very expressive. That's what I have seen.
So Ankita
Thank
ji,
you.
Ekta ji, what do you have to say about it? Do you have any kind of pain in your left leg?
No, not on my left. It's more on my right.
Okay, more on your right.
But expressive, I'm quite vocal, I agree. But I don't know what do you mean by expressive? That I think Sanjeev will answer better than me.
And are you now thinking more about working towards spirituality?
Off and on, but that's part of it.
Okay.
It's a scary topic also, but it's a good topic also.
Okay.
So it's like,
Yeah. Thank you, Priyanka. So this
Thank
left
you,
side,
thanks.
I might be like, she could be mistaken because of the camera.
yeah, maybe
But
because
it's a video
it's
call.
quite far off here.
Yeah.
But yes, but definitely I'm feeling on my right knee, actually.
But excuse me.
Yeah.
When a person is looking at you as a
Next.
doctor, may I speak? As a doctor, it's your left and right. But when a person is looking at you, it might be left or right for them.
Perfect. Yeah, it's quite
So that-
possible. yes.
That's right. It's the
So
mirror
that
image,
might
you
be
see.
a-
That's where she went wrong.
Yeah.
That's
Because the
right.
leg thing is definitely there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was
Yeah,
looking
Manu
at you.
was-
It's like a mirror image, huh, Ekta?
Yeah, I think
Can
Manu
you hear
actually
me?
pointed out. Yes, I can hear you. I think
Yeah.
Manu actually pointed out correctly.
That's where she went wrong, you see. She said left, but it was like a mirror, so therefore
Got
she
it,
said
got it.
right, I think, or whatever.
Yeah.
But anyway, close enough.
Yeah,
Can,
definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, the time I've got is little less. So in scanning, I was little confused there. I've just got only 2 minutes to scan, but I feel I appreciate myself that I can scan. Like the leg part is having a trouble.
that is
But I'm
definitely.
sorry, that is left or right.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
Priyanka. Thank you.
So what about
you.
Harsh, Mr. Kunal Grover? Can we have him next,
Yeah,
please?
Kunalji, just please stand थोड़ा सा पीछे खड़े हो जाएं आप. Like she has to look at your head to toe. Right. Yeah, Priyanka.
Kunal, we want a picture of you live. Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Yeah, you were good.
Just keep standing near the AC.
Just have a look.
Yeah, go ahead. So not to worry.
Priyanka, are you doing the scanning?
No, sir. No, sir. Shall I?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
So no other student is here.
Anu is also there, sir.
Okay, Anu, are you here?
So we all are here. Rachna ji and
Okay, so Anu,
Deepti, we all are here.
Yeah, now Anu, you do the scanning.
So probably I'm
one.
not able to. I'm not able to enlarge it on my.
No, it is already enlarged by default.
So, sir, actually, I am on mobile, and it's
Okay,
like
okay. Rachna ji, can you do it?
Something like.
Rachna?
Okay, I'll try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Vinayji. Yeah, I'll do it.
She's a chartered accountant based in London, UK. Rachna ji.
Vinayji, yeah, I've done. I think you have some issue on your left shoulder. You have some pain on the left side. And I could see some issues on your crown chakra on your head as well. Probably you are in stress or you got headache, something like that. And also in your tummy, the upper tummy, I could see some pain or burning or gas, something. Or is it probably the back also? Probably that's what it is. Backside is hurting your back.
Kunalji, your comments?
So I have a very my neck area to the shoulders, both sides are badly in pain. And yes, I said as I said, I'm in quite a lot of stress. That's also true. Back, I may not say. My back, I mean, either I'm too used to the ache or something like that. But either it's a part of life. I don't know about the backache, but yes, the shoulder part was absolutely bang on. And stress levels, as I confessed myself, that it's in a very bad state.
Kunalji, one small point that your face feel like your money is stuck somewhere, and the person who is having your money and he's not returning it on time. It is delaying it.
Sir, ये आज की सुबह की बात है. We had a court date on that also today.
Okay,
So
I don't know. I just did the scanning, so that is what I'm sharing with you.
I reached my office at 5, so we were fighting a case against that person.
Okay, got it.
So today only we had a court date and we have been any which ways, वो एक बड़ी लंबी बात है. But yes, money is badly stuck.
Yeah, that I can see, because see, they have only done Reiki level 2. So they are just in a learning phase. So this is what I'm telling, that my students are also good scanners.
Amazing.
Thank you.
मैं इतना वीडियो पे देख के अगर इतना पता चल गया तो शायद physically
And
that would be.
Kunalji, she is a chartered accountant based in London.
Wow. Thanks, Sanjeev ji, making me to introduce. I mean, I'm trying a lot. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा morning में बहुत try कर रहा हूँ meditation करने के लिए, बहुत करने की करता हूँ.
अभी Kunalji, जो mass healing session होगा, we will try to reduce your pain by around half.
Wow, amazing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are
Next.
you Are you done, Vineet?
Yeah, we are
Harsh, are
done
you
for with, we are
satisfied?
done with Kunal. Let us have the other volunteer.
Kunal,
Mridula. I think Mridula was the next one, Mridula Chopra.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Mridula ji.
Yes.
yes, Mridula.
So Dipti ji, your turn for the scanning.
मृदुला जी प्लीज मूव टू द सेंटर. नहीं आप ज्यादा उल्टी तरफ जाइए, उल्टी तरफ जाइए.
Vineet sir, shall I go ahead, Anu?
Yeah, Anu, you can do.
Okay. Ma'am, you need to just, slightly on your, slightly to your left side. You need to shift to your left side. That is it. Thank you so much. That is it. Yes, ma'am, you may come back. You may come back. Yeah, it's done. Basically, I could not trace anything major in this. Your head area was, kind of really clogged, and you are ruminating about something for a very long time. You are into something, some stress, some particular thing, to a great depth, I would say. And apart from that, any physical ailment I couldn't find. And certainly then I got a tinge that you want to go towards spirituality, and you're a very pure soul. You are much into yourself and your family. You're much concerned about your family, family oriented female, basically, not pursuing your hobbies and not going out, because that is the being with family, being connected to your close ones gives you contentment, probably. So your peace of mind you get with them.
Yeah, definitely. That's absolutely true. But physical ailment, I have been struggling with cancer for the last few years, since 2013. And I need to get my chemos done every regular interval. So that is something which troubles me, because it is not operable. And even my left hand has stopped working because of that. So, which was the reason I was more interested in getting myself
So,
healed.
ma'am, what I think, because as of now, as of at the spur of the moment, you are more into, pondering over it, its resolution, it's this thing. So it's more of concentrated here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So it's basically that. And the thing is, like, what I found is, like, you're a warrior kind. I mean, you are, because I found you to be really clear. It hardly took time to scan you, apart from this part. Again, you're thinking about it. Will it be cured or not? Something like that. So at this point of time, you are mainly into that.
Yeah, definitely. That's true, because being sick doesn't worry me so much. Honestly speaking, being sick doesn't worry me so much. But yeah, I am an overthinker. So my mind remains clogged. You scanned perfectly right.
So, ma'am, that's the perhaps that is the thing that kind of resonated with me. And you are actually not much worried about the physical this thing.
Yeah.
Why I got a cleaner this thing, because you're not pinpointing that particular cancer and this thing. But yeah, of course, the thought process is going on and on and on. So that is probably the case, and I'm very sure you'll come out,
Thank you.
fighting it, and because of your willpower and the kind of soul you are, probably.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anu.
Thank you, sir.
We have, are we done? Are you okay with this analysis, Mridula? Can we move on to the
Yes.
next? Yeah?
Yes, I am
Okay.
perfectly fine with this analysis. She's got on to it.
Okay, good. Priya, can we have you next, please?
Yeah.
So, Deepti, are you here? Deepti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start scanning, please.
Yeah. Yeah, please come, Haripriya. Yeah. So, yeah, Haripriya, I saw some issue on forehead related to maybe stress, and a little bit backache on the right side, and on the left knee you have some issue like molding below the thigh. Is it correct?
No. My legs and thigh, knees and all and back are okay.
Okay. And stress?
Sorry?
Stress related? Head
No.
related?
No.
Okay.
Deepti, keep your safety pin intact and then do the scanning again. Let her be sitting there. Just close your eyes.
Okay, Haripriya, can we do it?
Deepti, just hold on, Priya ji. Deepti ji, just close your eyes. Okay. Yeah, now do the scanning.
Sir, I saw same thing except the heart chakra. Except the heart.
So I feel like Priya is planning to go on some vacation with the family currently. And like she is happy about some new friend or like far off friend or far off family member coming to her place to meet her. And like she has been planning to meet them, like the person who is coming to her place, close to her place. And like you told her, like you told already, Deepti ji, that she is feeling happy. तो हर जगह में वो ये कि थोड़ा सा एक एक्साइटमेंट है कि जो मेंबर आ रहा है पता नहीं फैमिली मेंबर है या फ्रेंड मेंबर है, बट जो इनसे मिलने वाला है उसकी वजह से दिल में बड़ी सारी टेंशन है छोटी सी कि कैसा होगा, क्या होगा, कैसा रहेगा हमारा टाइम, बिकॉज वो काफी टाइम के बाद मिल रहे हैं ये. जी प्रिया जी कैसा है बताइए आप.
Well, it sounds very exciting. Forward to meeting whoever's coming. It's sounding very good. Actually, the thing, my concern was I've for many months had a pain in my left side ribs.
That already she told her about backache.
Backache.
No, it's not back. It's not back. It's not back.
But actually, Priya ji, hota hai kya hai sometime, like she could be wrong, but normally in scanning we see the root cause.
अच्छा.
ठीक है ना, तो आपको रिब में पेन हो रहा है, but the root cause could be the आपका जो center part है ना बैक का, the root zone or the root of the pain in your ribs. And once the healing is done, like we do the healing for the place, we see the blockage. and हम लोग बैक पर ही काम करेंगे and you will see the results for sure. And
Lovely.
अभी like soon we later on we will be doing a mass healing session. So
Okay.
उसके अंदर you can see the results.
Great. Okay, Reena, let's get on to the next person now.
I think Manu asked for a special healing session, individual healing session.
One sec. Yes, I did. So I should stand around and be scanned first.
Yeah, stand up.
लस्सी पीनी है फैंटा पीना है? इसको छोड़ दो, हमें बंद हो जाए.
So we have Surya here. Deepti ji, who else is left? अभी कौन रह गया?
ये डॉक्टर, okay, Dr. Manusha Mali is there.
नहीं, I'm not talking about your people. I'm talking about my students. That who else is left for the scanning?
I think, sir, everybody covers because.
Everybody is.
Yeah.
Okay. Anu, can you do the scanning again?
1 minute. I can't hear you. Please.
Anu, you are here?
I'm here, sir. I'm very much
please
here.
do the
I'll
scanning,
do that.
please.
Sir.
All enough?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. I actually I can't see your face. Like it's a darker. Can you just move in front a bit so that the light falls on your face and like. That's perfect then. That's perfect.
Anu, have you done the scanning?
Yes, sir. You may please come back. Thank you. So basically, I saw something in the chest area, bit of blockage is there, and then your left leg down knee inclusive. There's some trouble there, and bit of trouble in the right leg too. Apart from that, again, you are at the moment, you are, I don't know, you're too much thinking of something about yourself, pertaining to yourself, something that is, basically dealing with your personal, this thing, nothing with family or something like, as an individual, you're thinking about something about yourself. It may be pertaining your business, your job, or anything means, then you are a very multifaceted person with a lot of I would say a lot of talents, lot of jack of all trades, master of none sort of thing.
That's not true. I am master of some.
Okay, some in particular, but then of course you are an expertise. I mean, you hold expertise in many. So that is all I would like to say. And there is you are probably going for something, and there is some kind of hindrance, some kind of thing that is stopping you from doing the thing. It may be a minor thing, and it can be in any sphere. I mean, in general, I'm saying you are, you're pursuing something, you want to go for something, anything for that matter. There's something that is causing a deterrence. That is all. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you, Anu.
Shall I say?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I do have heart problems, so that's quite accurate. And yes, I have what is called restless leg syndrome in my left and right legs both, which causes me much anguish. And I have to take medication, which makes me very sleepy and so on. But I haven't found another substitute for it. I am a multifaceted person, yes. I am thinking, no, I'm not thinking right now anything about myself. I'm thinking about my family and what's going to happen to them.
A foresighter, a far-sighted person, a pre-planner.
Yeah, I suppose so. So yeah, so you were very accurate in a lot of
and
things.
you're another thing, you're very hearty person. When you make friends or anyone, you connect with them with heart. You connect with them with heart, in the sense you are wholeheartedly with them when you make a connection, and you're
Yes.
You are a very confident person. Another thing.
Thank you. Yes, both of those things are true, and I do I love my friends a lot, and yeah, that's true. Now the thing is, though, I wanted to ask, do you also at some time during this lecture, I heard that Vineet ji can also predict the future and, like, what's going. So does that mean that you, a Reiki person, can also look into the future and know what's coming? And
Actually, we don't go and look into the future, but we make you enable to create the future you want for yourself.
okay. And you said that you can send Reiki, these positive things to
Exactly.
people, right? But
Yeah.
just being the devil, can you also think, if you don't like someone, can you also think, send negative things to them?
See, Manu, we are the people of love and light. So we can never think or imagine about anything bad or doing bad for anyone.
Is it possible?
Yeah, that is impossible for us. Like Anu has been scanning you from Mumbai. She's in Mumbai, not in Delhi. And so Rachna was like scanning you from Australia. Oh, sorry, UK, London. So
Okay.
we miss our Australia-based student because she is busy for the Navratri special tomorrow. So
Thank you.
otherwise, like, we have students from all over the world.
Yes, I'm not at all questioning the science, or I don't wish to be confrontational at all. I just want to have some knowledge. That's why I asked.
I know, I got it. Got it, Manu. Thank you.
I think I'll let others proceed now.
Sure. Thank you, Manu. Thank you.
Anyone else would like to do any kind of individual healing, or can we ask Vineet ji to do the mass healing?
I think we are running out of time, so maybe we should go ahead with the mass healing now. It's already just
I
5
think
minutes
that's a
to
good idea.
8 p.m.
Okay,
Yeah.
I just thought we
Vineet,
could ask.
Vineet,
Yeah, I'm here. I'm
could
here.
you could you tell us that whether we need to have our cameras on, all of us, or not?
Yeah, all of us need to have their cameras on. And one more thing, like, I will recommend everyone to have about half glass of drinking water in front of them, and then cover it with their right palm. Yeah, cover with your right palm till the healing session is over.
Does it need to be water, or can it be nimbu pani also?
It can be water, it can be Nibu Pani also. It's okay. But just Nibu Pani without any sugar or salt. Only Nibu Pani.
Okay. Okay. I think we'll all have to call for it. We don't have it ready on
Have it
hand.
ready.
Yeah, that is right. So
Okay.
just get a half glass of water.
Does an
Thank you,
alcoholic beverage work better?
No, no,
Pardon?
no, no, no. I don't think alcoholic beverage will
No.
work.
Why? It's got lots of energy and all that.
It'll interfere with your energies, Manu. It'll be difficult to scan.
Got it.
So could I request everyone to please put on their cameras?
But it'll take 1 or 2 minutes to get everybody their water.
There are a few people who still are off camera.
Other glass.
It would be great if you could do it. So, it'll help in healing, mass healing. That's great. Thank you so much, everyone.
Sir, I'm just on the car. Is there any other alternative I can do?
I think you continue to drive. Don't worry. Your camera is on. We can see you.
Yeah,
It's okay, Kunal. We will be able to do it.
Cameras, Jaya has written, it's not on.
Yeah, it is not
What does that
allowing.
mean, Sanjeev?
No, it's not from our side. She has to
Okay.
turn it on, so we can't really do much.
Can we help her in some way?
No way. This has to be done by her only.
Acha, acha.
And do it on remotely, switch it on. So we have our glasses of water ready.
Right.
No,
So just cover
coming,
the
just
glass
coming.
of water
Just,
with your right hand.
Just a minute,
Yeah, sure.
please, Vineet.
Yeah.
We're still waiting for our water.
everyone, please put your cameras on in the meantime.
Raghav, we are waiting for
Don't
you.
be shy.
And cover the water with your right hand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alok, we are waiting for you. Camera.
Yes.
Reena, I've called Govind also for this.
Oh, good, good. नहीं इनका शो दो सिर्फ नींबू पानी फ्रिज में बिस्किट भी
So should we cover it and keep it like this?
Yeah.
Can it stay on the tray?
Yeah, it can stay on the tray. It can stay on the table, wherever you're comfortable with.
Okay.
You just have to cover it because we will be reflecting the cosmic energies onto you, and from you
No,
it
leave
will
it
be
here,
reflecting
just cover
the
it.
glass, the water, and then you have to drink the energized water.
You have to drink it.
Okay. And like within 2 minutes, you will be able to see the results. So let me know when to start.
Excuse me, I just went out for a second. I have to
Yeah, sure.
cover the glass with my right hand.
Yes.
With your right hand.
Yeah.
Got
Can we begin? Can we begin, everyone, or should we wait for some more time?
I think everyone's done now.
Everyone's here. Let's start.
Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty, my son-in-law.
Yeah. Let us start then. Viniji,
Okay,
please go ahead.
Water with you,
Yeah.
Pradeep? Okay. Get a glass of water, half a glass. You need that?
I do have it. I do have it.
Okay, I'm starting now.
Yeah, okay.
Please start.
Everyone, please close your eyes. Now everyone can please open your eyes and drink the water in your glasses. Drink it full. पानी छोड़ना नहीं है, पानी पूरा पीना आधा गिलास. और जिसको भी जहां पर भी बॉडी में पेन हो रहा था, तो जस्ट ट्राई टू फील कि is the pain still there?
I don't have pain.
Just look at this today. Today he's got them all on.
Pardon?
We can hear your secrets, Priya. I had a very strange pain in my neck, which I don't feel right now, but I don't know if it's temporary or if it's gone completely.
See, I tried to do it completely.
I hope so too.
Thank you. Sanjeev ji and Ekta ji.
Ekta.
Can't say.
Okay.
अभी as specifically कहीं हो नहीं रहा था कोई दर्द तो नहीं
ठीक है,
can't
ठीक है.
say.
मेरे को थोड़ा सा जरूर टेंशन थी नेक के अंदर में, नेक में या बैक. डेफिनेटली मुझे बेटर लग रही है.
Thank you, Sanjeev ji.
My backache is gone completely. Amazing. I could actually feel it.
Thank you.
I could feel you sending healing.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
good.
Wow. Anyone else would like to share? Please share.
Yes.
It's always so encouraging.
I would like to share. I think my chest feels a lot open, more open.
Yeah.
I'm able to breathe more easily.
Thank you.
I cannot say about the pain in the calf because that comes in during the night. But if you can get rid of that.
Manuji, just update Aruna ji tomorrow morning. Don't worry.
Then you are my God.
No, I'm not a god. I'm just a channel. We are
But
just mediums.
obviously, it has had some effect.
Yeah.
To what degree and for how long, I do not know. But certainly, I feel better.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone else would like to share?
Yeah,
Manju ji?
I would like to share. I had some pain in my left arm, which I was saying that it's not. So that seems to be very less, and overall, I'm feeling much lighter, much lighter.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Manju ji, would you like
I
to share?
didn't have. Yeah, I didn't have any problem, but I'm feeling as if I'll be fine. Even the slightest of the problems will be gone. Mentally, I'm feeling more strong.
Thank you,
Wow.
Manuji.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Anyone else?
Thanks.
Great.
Vineetji, whereabouts are you based? I'm in Delhi or where?
We'll
have
share
to-
this with you later, Manu.
You have to
Huh?
teach me. I
We
don't
don't,
know how. You have to teach me. Really good.
I've put in the details to contact Vineet. You can contact Amu, given the number. So for any details, you can connect with Amu.
That's
on the
right.
number.
So you contact Amu, please.
Better, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, with so much good happening and has happened tonight, I think we let Vineet go because he must be mentally exhausted himself.
One question, I'm sorry to interrupt, but Vineet ji, since in pranic healing, then you have to go and wash your hands in salt water and all that. In
Yeah.
Reiki also, you have to do something to re-energize yourself.
No.
So how do you get your energies? Matlab you
See,
distribute
it is
your
not.
energies.
Alkaji, we are not using our energy. We are
Achha.
using cosmic energies.
Achha.
We are just reflecting.
Okay. Oh. So your energy doesn't get depleted.
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay.
So I think
We are
we
just
have
like
to
a
close
pencil, like
this
if you are
session.
using a pencil to or pen to write on the paper. So your hands are not involved. Your hands are just a tool.
Okay, thank you. Ekta, can we please give the vote of thanks for Vineet?
Definitely, Rinaji, thank you. Vineet ji, it was amazing to have you on the show. And Sanjeev has told me about you very often. Unfortunately, this is the I've never met you before. Today was the first experience with you. और मुझे actually मतलब ये जो मेरी टांग का बताया था, आई थिंक nobody knows except for मेरे पीछे बैक प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, तो मेरे फिजियो से मैंने पूछा था कि जब मैं उठती हूँ तो मेरे को एकदम से ऐसे पैर में होता है. सो नॉट संजीव, नोबडी, किसी को भी ये नहीं पता था. एंड अब मुझे लग रहा है कि उसमें मतलब अभी हो नहीं रहा था, बट आई कैन फील कि शायद अब नहीं होगा. And it's really great to have you. And on behalf of entire CCFC and all the participants and our resident members, we really thank you, Vineet ji, and
Thank you all.
look
Thank you.
forward to much more healing from you.
And definitely a lot of gratitude to you all and my students who joined me. Thank you all. You made me proud. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
God bless
Vineet.
you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Everyone,
And
thank you
all
so
the
much once
people who
again.
attended, thank you so much for being
Thank you.
there.
Thank you all.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And
Thank
you
you.
too.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, Vineet ji, and your team was amazing.